When I covered paper filing in the past, one of my top tips was the best way to keep track of paperwork is to make sure it never arrives in the first place. So go digital when you can. Not only does it reduce paperwork that takes up physical space in your home, it reduces paper usage in general. Good stuff. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you organise your digital life. If you are a return visitor, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Essential tools. I love certain things for organising physical items. Stackable bins, shelving, and labels are tools that apply in just about every situation. It's the same with digital organising. There are some simply must-haves that I recommend anyone use to keep their computer neat and tidy. Essential tool number 1, Password Manager. I can't remember all of my passwords, can you? Making secure passwords requires capital letters, numbers, special characters, and sometimes a double authentication PIN too. And the amount of passwords we need, one for every site, means that trying to remember them is not only exhausting, it's basically impossible. And what about when it's time to update the password? Sticky Note just doesn't take care of it like it used to. Digital password managers save you brain power while allowing for more complicated, stronger passwords. Google Chrome has a built-in password manager that keeps track of which password is for what, updates it on the fly when you need to change or reset, and opens with one master password. And Apple's Keychain has a similar process. These password managers are free and come alongside Chrome or your Mac. LastPass is a paid service that can generate secure passwords and manage them, and it works on every browser and computer. It can store credit cards securely for when you want to shop online too. Essential tool number 2, backups. Using a backup means that if the unthinkable happens and your computer turns into a paperweight, you can still access the files that were on it. And I'd advise you to back up not just your files, but your system as well. Backing up your system preserves the state of your computer, catching operating files and programs that are critical to making the computer function. Check out the links in the description below for guides to backing up your PC or your Mac. And where the backup is stored is also important. There are 2 main options. Local. Having a backup stored locally means whatever device your files are backed up on, like an external hard drive or a thumb drive, is physically close to you. If you lose your files, you can get up and grab them from somewhere nearby. It also means that you know where your data are being kept. Cloud. Storing a backup in the cloud, meaning your backup is stored somewhere off premises, uses the internet to transfer files. This comes in handy in the event of a theft, fire, or natural disaster. You don't need any equipment to store a backup in the cloud because someone else is storing it for you. As long as you have an account and your password, you'll be able to get your files back.